Introducing Premier Pontoon's all-new, fully customized graphical user interface, creating effortless and absolute control of your entire vessel with the CZone Digital Switching System. With CZone, every function of your Premier Intrigue series pontoon is just a touch away. This advanced digital switching technology replaces traditional wiring and switches with a streamlined, intuitive control center, making boating easier, smarter, and more reliable than ever. Premier's custom-designed interface puts the power in your hands with 4 main pages: home, switching, audio, and settings, each designed to give you instant access to the information and controls you need most. And no matter which page you're on, critical information like speed, water depth, fuel level, battery level, water temperature, and horn control is always available. On the home page, you'll find essential performance data at a glance: speed, engine RPM, battery level, fuel level, and trim percentage. Complete lighting control is right here too, including exterior lights, interior lights, dock lights, navigation and anchor lights, plus full RGB color customization for the perfect mood on board. And because entertainment matters, audio controls are conveniently integrated so your soundtrack is never more than a tap away. Move to the switching page, where you can activate key onboard systems instantly. Whether it's powering the bilge pump, engaging your navigation lights, or switching on premium features like cooled cup holders, the switching page makes it all quick and effortless. The audio page gives you precise control over your onboard sound, adjusting volume, changing sources, and fine-tuning audio zones across the boat for an immersive listening experience. With Premier's custom graphical interface powered by CZone, your entire boating experience is simplified, streamlined, and elevated, so you can focus on what matters most: enjoying the water.